Say hello in Welsh. Is in Welsh? Croeso. Oh, what is faiolte? Faiolte. Was it welcome? F-A-I-L-T-A.
Irish, isn't it?
Oh.
That's Irish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, Scottish. Yeah, Gaelic. Yeah.
No, it's Celtic.
Yum yum.
Boridar, I think it's day. Boridar.
And obviously taking this route for memory lane.
Beautiful tan. Gringo tan. No, thank you. I'm recording you. You're singing.
Oh no, are you actually?
Yes!
Babe, would you sing for us?
Yeah, sing more. You're not in the mood?
No, I don't like my singing voice.
Oh, you've got a
Yeah,
beautiful
voice.
voice.
Probably 30% of your life is evolved around singing. And I like singing, but I don't like my singing voice. We'll use someone else's singing voice. That is. Oh.
And mine's got a little hole in here as well.
Yeah, look. One more.
No!
Just to finish it off.
It's gonna fall.
Oh, look at this. Wait, what's this sign?
You did, I watched you. I just watched you sabotage my
That's my favourite word.
Well, we're nearly there, Dad, with that. That's fine. Oh no.
That's the trouble, isn't it? Oh, look, that's one. Ha ha. It's going to collapse. No, it didn't. You finished. Go, record it slowly.
What did you say? What's that poking out, babe? What's that poking out?
We are walking down to the beach to watch the sunset. It's glorious.
Hello everybody. Today is, well, it's the last day we're in Wales. We're on our way back. I'm going to call into my uncle, pop in and see him. But where's the light? Where's the light? There we go. Yeah, so this is pretty much our last park up before we get back to Kent. And yeah, it's stunning, absolutely stunning. There's no comments on it on the site that we use, apart from night. So nobody else seems to have been here, or if they have, they haven't left comments. And then just the views all the way around are just amazing. Get the man out of the way, you can just see more everywhere. Just brilliant, isn't it?
It's fantastic. Very pretty place.
Up there, we think, on the hill, there is a church. So we might take a walk up and have a look at that, actually. My new walking boots that I've got. Yeah, because these ones get a bit old and tatty and they're not waterproof anymore. So yeah, I had to buy some new ones. But wow, what an amazing view. Just gorgeous. So this will be a nice evening. I'll have a look at the church, then it's gin and tonic time. So we'll catch you later.
God. Hello. Bye. Take your clothes off then. Oh yeah. Are you kidding? There is no witches. Oh, that was a quite long walk on a steep hill. And here we are, and look. Humans, no pigs. What? It's a circle. No, there's lots of it. Shut up. What a view. More toilet tissue. I'm wearing a skirt.
It'd be different if I was in McKill and you'd be trying to get up there, wouldn't you? Wow, view's even more better, much more better.
Hello. Hello. There is the Welsh dragon. You on a clear day you can see forever. 414 meters above sea level. Yeah, what is that?
It's a triangulation point. That's where they put the theodolite up and they can measure the
National.
the hill, see if it's changed. So, well, we hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Hit the little bell, like they all say.
You don't have to say it because everyone says.
Everybody says, yeah. So yeah, if you like the videos, watch them. If you don't, we don't care. We
Send
like
us
putting them up.
money. It's
Yeah.
better than like the
Yeah,
videos.
yeah. Send us money. We like money.
We need to pay the fuel. Cocovanis. There.
Beautifully built. It goes all around the top of the hill. And then there's a seating area in the middle there. It's probably where the witches sit, or the druids. The Welsh druids, you know. Come here to get their kit off. Just a teeny tiny cocoa. Why is it some dog owners don't think the rules apply to them? Now, we're in an area where there's sheep everywhere, absolutely everywhere. You come through a cattle grid to get here, and you go through a cattle grid to leave. The sheep are allowed to roam here free, and dog owners come here with their dogs, no leads. And what does the countryside code say? Dogs on leads at all times when you're walking through fields with sheep in. But no, they let them off. and then wonder why the dogs just go chasing the sheep and the farmers get angry. Bloody idiots, a lot of them. Really are. And again, it's only the few that will ruin it for everybody else, just like with van life. The ones that leave rubbish everywhere, those are the ones that ruin it for everybody else that tries to take care of the countryside. Not a happy camper when I see things like this. Arrogance of some people just amazes me.